Hey guys, hi. My name is Rohit Singre, Senior Technical Analyst, LKP Securities Limited. Hope everyone is safe, healthy out there. So again, in this video, we are going to talk about the levels for the Nifty Bank. We'll talk about the monthly expiry, where one can see the expiry for the month of September. And so let's start with the Nifty first. We witnessed the selling pressure in last three session. On the Friday, Monday, even Tuesday, we have witnessed some sort of pressure in Nifty Bank. So if you look at the overall structure somewhere got hampered. Specifically in Nifty, I can talk because Nifty Bank was underperforming though, but Nifty was outperforming, and we witnessed a good breakdowns in Nifty somewhere around 11,180 was very crucial zone for Nifty to for the trend reversal, and we saw the closing below that 11,154 was the yesterday closing, and we might close somewhere 100 points down. So I think the structure somewhere looks cautious. Somewhere structure looks weak at the moment. Until unless we are trading below 11,300, we may see every rise as this shorting opportunity by the traders, and we may see some more pressure coming in. So I think it is very clear that right now we have the strong support somewhere around 11,000. Above that 11,100 is the one can say the normal support, but yes, 11,000 will be a very crucial support. It is again the psychological level, so 11,000 will be a very fantastic supports on the downside, one can say. But on the higher side, again 11,250, 11,300 specifically will act as a strong hurdle. So until and unless we cross above 11,300, we may not see a good the upside coming in. But yes, the structure will be weak until we are trading below 11,300 zone. But if you look at the Nifty Bank has seen a good recovery from the lower band, somewhere around 20,000, just a minute, 20,950 was somewhere the low in yesterday's session, and we have seen a good recovery of somewhere around 200 and 250 points from the lower end. So that suggests that the supports are active on the downside. But like I said, I'm more bearish on Nifty rather than on the Nifty Bank. But it's not like that I'm aggressively bearish. Like I said, above 11,300 will be again in the buying territory. But until unless we are trading below 11,300, we may see some more kind of pressure towards 11,000 zone. In Nifty Bank again, the levels are coming somewhere around 20,900, 20,500 will be the immediate supports on the downside. But again, the overall structure was weak. It has shown a weakness. Nifty Bank I'm talking about. So we may not see that much weakness in the Nifty Bank as compared to the Nifty. So again, Nifty has the strong hurdle on the higher side. 21,500, 22,000 will be the hurdle on the in the Nifty Bank. But I cannot see a specific trade in Nifty Bank. But yes, once we see a good break about 21,500, then we may see a good recovery in Nifty Bank also. Like I said, 11,300 in the Nifty and 21,500 in the Nifty Bank one should look for if you are the aggressive buyer only. Until then, we may see some kind of rallies, some kind of short on every rallies. So about 21,500 Nifty Bank looks good to me. About 11,300 Nifty looks good to me. So these are the levels one can keep on tab on. So let's look at the expiry front, where one can see. See, if you look at the option change, somewhere around 20 lakhs share added in the 11,200 call, which again which will act as again the strong hurdle on the higher side. Sorry. So again, on the derivative front, 11,200, 11,300 are these strong hurdles on the higher side. So we may see if Nifty manages to sustain about 11,200, then we may see a quick move of 50 points, short covering move one can say. But yes, the strong hurdle is still placed at 11,200, 11,300, as we have witnessed the substantial writing in the current expiry. And if you look at on the put side, there are not much the aggressiveness one can say. But yes, 11,000 again will be a very good support if you look at the put side on the option front. So in nutshell, again the 11,000 and 11,200, 300 will be the range one can say for the coming session. And specifically, if you look at for next 2 days, it would be more narrowing, and it is the range 11,200, 11,000 will be the the one can say the 200 point momentum can be trapped in the September series. So if you look at the option data, 11,200 will be very stiff resistance on the higher side, and 11,000 will be very difficult to break on the lower side. So we may see somewhere expiry in between the 11,000 11,200. So again, that's all from our side. In nutshell, I just wanted to repeat the levels once again so that traders can keep a tab. Again, Nifty is mildly bearish. One can say above 11,300 we may see a good recovery in Nifty, but until it is trading below 11,300 we may see 11,000 zones on the card. Nifty Bank 21,500 will be a very crucial resistance on the higher side. Once we see a break above 21,500, then we may see sort of recovery in Nifty Bank also. But again, Nifty Bank is not that much bearish compared to the Nifty. If you talk about the expiry front, 11,000 11,200 will be the where one can expect the expiry, because as per the option data. So that's all from our side. Stay tuned. Stay there in our group. We have the group LKP Technical Learning for the technical learning process. You can join our group on the Telegram. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.